As Modi 3.0 Union Council took oath, one of the loudest cheers was reserved for Chirag Paswan. The 41-year-old head of LJP, Ram Vilas, has emerged as one of the key players in the National Democratic Alliance in Bihar. He has a 100% strike rate, 5 contested, 5 won. We saw how Prime Minister Modi warmly embraced Chirag Paswan after he addressed the Central Hall in Parliament during the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting. It is quite clear that Chirag Paswan will have an important role to play, not just in Modi cabinet here in Delhi, but perhaps in NDA scheme of things in the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections as well. But if you had asked the Paswan family a decade and a half ago about what Chirag's future looked like, they would have perhaps not talked about politics. In 2011, Chirag Paswan and now a Member of Parliament, Kangana Ranaut, acted in a film together called Mile Na Hum Tum. In that film, Chirag Paswan was expecting his fortunes as a Hindi film star to turn around, but that was not to be. A year later, he decided to follow the path of his father, Ram Vilas Paswan. In 2012, he came into politics, and 2 years later, in 2014, even as Modi won his first term, LJP's fortunes also had started to turn, and Chirag Paswan is being credited with a huge role to play in that. Now, after the Gujarat riots of 2002 had happened, LJP had parted ways with the National Democratic Alliance. But it is said that when Chirag Paswan came back to political field, it was his advice to his father and to the LJP to join hands again with the Bharatiya Janata Party. The results were for all to see. LJP, got spectacular results in Bihar in 2014. But soon after Ram Vilas Paswan passed away, Chirag Paswan faced another jolt. He lost his party to Uncle Pashupati Paras. He lost, all the MPs also who moved to his uncle's side. But Chirag Paswan kept at it, and now in 2024, he's being seen as the true heir of Ram Vilas Paswan's legacy. He's being seen as a Dalit leader from Bihar, and you can see behind me, there are Karyakartas waiting to meet Chirag Paswan outside his North Avenue bungalow here in Delhi. There are a sea of people. There's also a dholwala here waiting to celebrate Chirag Paswan's victory here. So that's the kind of excitement that Chirag Paswan's elevation in the Union Cabinet had led to amongst his supporters. His portfolio, whatever role he has to play in the Modi cabinet will be important as far as the development narrative of Modi 3.0 is concerned. He's young at 41. He's perhaps one of the youngest ministers after TDP's Ram Mohan Naidu. He also has a role to play, like I said, in Bihar political dynamics. He's a Dalit face, erudite, speaks well, and therefore, he has also a direct connection with the Karyakartas, and that is what the Bharatiya Janata Party is also hoping to cash in on. Not just here in Delhi, but also when BJP, JDU and the other NDA constituents like HAM, the Hindustan Awam Morcha, joins hand with LJP. They're hoping in Bihar also, this young Dalit icon will give a lift to the NDA fortune, something that Tejasvi Yadav-led RJD is trying very hard to challenge. So we'll have to wait and see how Chirag Paswan really changes the face of Dalit politics, not just in Bihar, but also in Delhi.